Want to cancel your Webflow subscription? This video will guide you through the process. Webflow offers tiered plans: free, light, pro, team, and enterprise. Canceling involves accessing the billing section in your Webflow dashboard. You can choose to either downgrade to a lower plan or cancel entirely. We'll walk you through both scenarios to help you manage your subscription effectively. To cancel your Webflow subscription, start by navigating to the billing section in your account settings. Once in the billing section, select the subscription you wish to cancel from your active plans. You'll find options to either cancel the subscription or downgrade to a lower plan. Click Cancel to terminate your subscription. Remember that downgrades take effect at the next billing cycle, while cancellations end the service immediately, but you retain access until the end of your current billing period. Ensure you've exported any important site data before the cancellation takes full effect. Instead of completely canceling your Webflow subscription, consider downgrading to a lower tier plan. This approach allows you to retain access to essential features while significantly reducing your monthly costs. For example, downgrading from the Pro plan at $35 per month to the Lite plan at $23 per month can save you $12 monthly or $144 annually while keeping access to core Webflow functionality. Downgrading helps you maintain essential tools like website editing and hosting while cutting expenses. This is particularly useful if you need to scale back your project temporarily due to budget constraints or changing needs. It's important to note that any downgrade will take effect at the beginning of your next billing cycle. This means you'll continue to have access to your current plan's features until that date. Before confirming any downgrade, carefully review the features available in your selected lower tier plan. Ensure they are sufficient for your current project requirements to avoid any disruptions to your workflow. Webflow now offers full prorated refunds within 30 days of billing. If you cancel mid-month on a monthly plan, you'll receive a partial credit to your original payment method for the unused time. This applies to most plans, but clarify with Webflow support for enterprise-level accounts. Refunds typically process within 5 days, and Webflow has a 95% approval rate for qualifying requests. Note this policy clarification came about in 2025 due to a user controversy. A tech startup called BuildFast faced funding challenges in 2025. They downgraded from Webflow's Pro plan at $35 per month to the Lite plan at $23 per month, saving $1,200 annually. This flexibility allowed them to scale back while maintaining core website features. They also received a prorated refund for unused months, which they redirected to cover other business expenses. This case shows how Webflow's refund policy supports business agility during uncertain times. A mid-sized agency initially used Webflow's team plan at $115 per month for collaborative features. After evaluating their needs, they downgraded to the Pro plan at $35 per month to reduce costs. Eventually, they canceled their subscription entirely, citing superior integrations offered by competing platforms. Despite the cancellation, they commended Webflow's transparent billing system and clear notifications throughout the process. This example highlights how agencies weigh feature sets and integration capabilities when making subscription decisions. These real-world examples illustrate the agility Webflow provides through its downgrade and cancellation options. Whether dealing with funding constraints or seeking better feature matches, users can adjust their subscriptions with clear billing and refund processes. Understanding these scenarios helps in making informed decisions about Webflow plans. Before canceling your Webflow subscription, make sure to export all your site data. This includes your site's content, images, and any custom code. Many users regret not doing this step, as the data becomes inaccessible after cancellation. When downgrading or canceling, understand your plan's limits. For example, free plans now cap at 10 sites. If you exceed these limits, you might lose access to some content or need to upgrade temporarily. This has caused some users to switch to competitors. Make sure you understand Webflow's refund policy. You can get prorated refunds within 30 days of billing, but only for unused time. Double-check the dates and amounts to avoid missing out on credits you're entitled to. If you're uncertain about canceling or downgrading, reach out to Webflow support first. They can explain your options, help with exports, or even suggest alternatives that might better fit your needs, helping you avoid cancellation regret. Webflow is exploring flexible plans with usage-based billing for bandwidth and storage. Webflow is exploring flexible plans with usage-based billing for bandwidth and storage. Expect more AI-driven features like automated refunds for overcharges. The future points to hybrid models, merging subscriptions with marketplace add-ons. There's also increasing focus on sustainable hosting. Keep an eye out for these innovations, as they will further impact how you manage your Webflow subscription in the years to come.